Good morning, everyone. So, how are you all? कैसे हो आप लोग? Hi, Srishti. All of you will reply in the chat box. Okay.
हेलो। हाँ जी। ये कितने देर में होगा?
Hi, Saranya. We will wait for 2 to 3 minutes. We will start the class at 11:10. Let everybody will join the class.
मुझे वक्त में शाम वाला शो
So, good morning, everyone. Please send the ID and password in the group because I have to join the class in other device. Okay, just wait. I'm sending here only, Srishti. You can just copy. So how many of you are beginner here? कौन कौन beginner है? श्रेयांश, you can reply in the chat box. आप chat box से भी reply कर सकते हो. गगनदीप, what about else? So guys, all of you reply please, so that the class will be interesting. My name is Tejaswini. Okay, Tejaswini. Shikha is beginner. Leba, what about else? Surbi, Jahara, Gautami, Samaina, Shalu. Suganya is also beginner. Okay, so we will start from the basics. Like today is the first class, so we will start making sponge. So in today's class, we will make vanilla sponge. ठीक है? Many of you have joined the class very earlier, like 15 days ago, but my health was not good, so that I was not able to take the class. Who had joined the class on the 1st or 2nd of January? How many of you want me to speak in Hindi and English? Please reply so that I will go accordingly. I will continue in English only if there is no Hindi people here. Samaina, Aisha, English. Okay. Everyone, please reply. Ramdeep, any Hindi and English. Okay. So first of all, I will explain in English and after that I will explain in Hindi too. Okay, मैं English और हिंदी दोनों में ही explain कर दूंगी. So how many of you are baking with me today? कौन कौन मेरे साथ बना रहा है लाइव क्लास में? आयशा बना रही है. What about else? शिखा, प्रेयांश. Okay.
ठीक है, ठीक है. क्या बोल रही है?
Only 4 people are making. What about else, guys? Samina is making muffins. Okay. Why not vanilla sponge? Suganya. Okay, you know it, right? Suganya will also make. Okay, so first of all, we will start introducing with some tools which is required for baking because some students are beginner here. कुछ लोग यहाँ पे beginner है तो हम लोग tool से start करेंगे. So the most important tools is this measuring scale. Okay, this is the measuring scale in which we will measure all the ingredients. ये measuring scale है जिसमें हम सारे ingredients measure करते हैं. जब सॉरी गाइस, विदाउट मेजरमेंट आपकी कोई भी रेसिपी परफेक्ट नहीं होगी जब तक आप मेजर करके नहीं बनाओगे. ठीक है? विदाउट मेजरिंग योर रेसिपी विल नॉट परफेक्ट. So you have to measure everything which I have written in the recipe. Okay? My kitchen is busy right now. Will make in some time. Okay, Survi. The next thing is this electric beater. Sika, do you have? I will suggest you guys please purchase this measuring scale because in with the measuring cups it won't give the proper measurement. Okay, so the cost of this measuring scale is around 230 to 250 rupees. You can purchase it from any bakery store or you can purchase it on online also. You will easily get on the Amazon. आपको Amazon पे easily मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? So next thing is this electric beater. This is the electric beater which we use this electric beater in beating the whipping cream. While making the cake, we need whipping cream, so we will use this. In many more recipes, like when we need to beat the egg, we will use this electric beater. Okay? जब भी हम whipping cream बीट करते हैं तो ये इलेक्ट्रिक बीटर का यूज करते हैं. इसके अलावा जब भी हम एग बीट करना होता है कोई कोई रेसिपी में उसमें भी हम इलेक्ट्रिक बीटर का यूज करेंगे. ठीक है? इज इट क्लियर गाइस? सबको क्लियर है? ओके. So this is the spatula which we will use for the mixing purpose. इसे भी हम mixing purpose के लिए use करते हैं. This is hand beater. Okay, we will use this hand beater in mixing while anything like cake. So batter we will mix, egg also we will mix. So there are many things in which we will use the hand beater. And this is the bowls, different bowls you need while baking anything. Okay. This is vanilla powder. Mostly we use this vanilla powder while making cookies. जब हम cookies बनाते हैं तब हम लोग use करते हैं. But in most of the recipes, I will use this vanilla powder only. Okay. This vanilla powder you will get it in the bakery store. You won't be able to purchase it from online. आपको online ये नहीं मिलेगी. So आपको ये किसी bakery store से ही purchase करना होगा. Yes, this is vanilla powder. You can use essence, but in liquid medium. Like while making cake, do not use essence while measuring the refined flour. You need to use it in the liquid medium, like in milk. Okay. This is baking soda, baking powder. I think all of you know about that. Yeah. So this is the cocoa powder, which we will use while making chocolate muffins. Okay. So let's start making. First of all, we will start making vanilla sponge. So those who are making, you can, if you want, you can turn on your camera. Otherwise, you can turn off also. And after baking, clear नहीं दिख रहा है. Just wait a minute. Is it clear now? और इससे पहले मैंने क्या दिखाया? बेकिंग पाउडर एंड बेकिंग सोडा दिखाया. दिस इज बेकिंग पाउडर एंड बेकिंग सोडा. So let's start making. So first of all, we will make vanilla sponge. So we are making eggless vanilla sponge in the class. I have shared the egg sponge also. So you can go through that if you want to make egg sponge. So in a bowl we will take fresh milk. So fresh milk we need to add 180 gram. 180 gram of fresh milk we will take. 180 ग्राम हमें फ्रेश मिल्क ले लेना है. We have to measure everything. सारी चीजें हमें मेजर करके ही डालनी है. After that we will add refined oil, which is 90 gram. रिफाइंड ऑयल हमें 90 ग्राम ऐड करना है. If you want, you can make half recipe also, like those who are trying first time. You can take half recipe, like 180 gram of breast milk I have taken. So you can use 90 gram also. Any query till now? किसी को कोई डाउट है? Ma'am, go slowly. Just a minute, just a minute. You can take boiled milk at room temperature. Aisa, you can open the recipe which I have shared. जो मैंने रेसिपी भेजी है वो आप ओपन कर लीजिए. यहाँ पे रेसिपी नहीं है मेरे पास अभी. In the group, I have shared. Measuring cups and spoons का measurement बता दीजिए. Okay, so seriously, like measuring spoons में आपको ग्राम में लिखा हुआ, ml में लिखा होता है, I think, right? So अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 180 ग्राम ऑफ फ्रेश मिल्क लिया है तो आपको 180 ml लेना है measuring cup से. Okay. If I have written 180 gram of milk, you need to take 180 ml of milk from the measuring cups. Aisa, I will send after the class. Yes, this recipe is in the group. Those who have joined late, I will send it in the group after this class. स्टार्टिंग से हमें 180 ग्राम ऑफ फ्रेश मिल्क लेना है, 90 ग्राम ऑफ रिफाइंड ऑयल लेना है. Guys, I will send after the class those who are not finding. Okay. आर यू मेकिंग ऐसा? अभी आप बना रहे हो? Okay, so please go through me. I'm also telling the recipe. 180 gram of fresh milk. Anyone please copy the PDF and paste it here. Those who have find the PDF, please paste it in the chat box. Yes, Suganya has shared here. Those who do not find, please go through this. Okay, and I will send after the class. Priyans has also shared. So we will go to the next. After that, we will add powdered sugar. So 150 ग्राम of powdered sugar we will add. 150 ग्राम हमें powdered sugar लेना है. Those who are making, please turn on the OTG for preheating. जो लोग बना रहे हैं OTG preheat के लिए डाल दीजिए. जो लोग गैस पे बना रहे हैं गैस पे भी आप कुकर या कढ़ाई प्रीहीट होने के लिए डाल दीजिए. So 150 ग्राम of, oh, I have added refined flour instead of powdered sugar. No issue. So 150 gram of powdered sugar we will add. Now we will mix it well. I am repeating the recipe. मैं एक बार recipe. Temperature 180 degree. But Sugandha, I will suggest you to make on the gas itself because sometimes in microwave, which microwave you have? Convection mode it is. Now you need to mix it. Let me repeat the recipe. First of all, you need to take 180 gram of fresh milk. After that, you will add 90 gram of refined oil. Okay. Then we will add powder sugar 150 gram. And those, सबसे पहले हमें फ्रेश मिल्क ले लेना है 180 ग्राम. उसके बाद हम रिफाइंड ऑयल डालेंगे 90 ग्राम. देन वी विल ऐड 150 ग्राम ऑफ पाउडर शुगर. ठीक है. And those who are using vanilla essence, use now only in liquid medium. जो लोग vanilla essence use कर रहे हैं अभी use कीजिएगा liquid medium में 4 to 5 drops. Now we need to mix it well. Yes, Sikha, you can use that also. But sometimes in some microwaves you won't be able to make the cake. So I will suggest you if you don't have convection mode, so you can bake on the gas also. Now we will take another bowl. Your bowl should be dry. And we will add refined flour मैदा 160 ग्राम. 160 ग्राम हमें रिफाइंड फ्लावर ऐड करना है. ऑलवेज सीव योर ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स. जब भी आप ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स मिक्सर करोगे हमेशा सीव करके ही डालना है. After that we will add baking soda. So 3 gram of baking soda we will add. preheat for 10 minutes. After that, we will use vanilla powder 2 to 3 gram. Those who are making, have you completed? 160 ml. 160 ml आपको लेना है. Now we will sieve it. So we have taken all the ingredients. Please check it once. Okay. Vanilla powder 2 to 3 gram. First of all, what you need to do, you need to measure all the wet ingredients and dry ingredients separately. Okay. So in wet ingredients, we will add fresh milk, refined oil, and powdered sugar. If you are using vanilla essence, use in liquid medium only. Separately, we will measure all the dry ingredients, like we will add refined flour, baking soda, and vanilla powder. I have added. So now we will mix it well. क्या मुझे हिंदी में भी रिपीट करना है और सबको समझ आ गया? Okay. So now we will mix it. We will mix it in the cut and fold method. First, you need to do like this: cut and then fold, cut and then fold, cut and then fold, cut and then fold. We will not use baking powder. We will use baking soda only. Yes, you can add essence in milk and oil. You need to mix it properly so that there will be no any lumps. Now you can see the consistency of batter, and it is very smooth. So now we will keep it aside and we will take this mold. This is 5 by 5 inch mold. Okay. I'm using 5 by 5 inch mold. You can use 5 by 6 or 6 by 6 inch also. But do not use the bigger mold, otherwise your sponge will be flat. Three to four drops. We will use baking soda only, 3 gram of baking soda. You should avoid, like, you will not use the bigger mold like 7 inch, 8 inch mold, otherwise your sponge will be flat. If you are using the bigger mold like 7 inch mold or 8 inch mold, you need to double the recipe, like 180 gram if I have milk taken there. So you need to take 360 gram of milk. Okay. मैम बेक किस पे करना है? आपके पास ओटीजी है? ओके, सो आप गैस पे भी बेक कर सकते हो। गैस पे आपको कैसे बेक करना है, आप कोई भी कुकर या कढ़ाई ले सकते हो। ठीक है, कुकर या कढ़ाई में आपको सॉल्ट स्प्रेड कर देना है एक छोटा सा स्टैंड उस पे रख करके, और उसको कवर कर देना है प्री हीट होने के लिए 10 मिनट्स के लिए लो फ्लेम पे। जब वो प्री हीट हो जाएगा, आपको ये मोल्ड बैटर के साथ उसमें डाल करके कवर करके 30 मिनट के लिए बेक करना है। इन बिटवीन आपको चेक करते रहना है, क्योंकि गैस पे समटाइम्स फ्लेम ज्यादा हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है, जिसके कारण पहले भी प्रिपेयर हो जाएगा। ठीक है। So in this mold, I have taken the butter paper. If you don't have butter paper, you can use grease and dust method. What is grease and dust method? You need to take the refined oil and you need to grease it with. Okay, and then you need to dust it with the refined flour. ग्रीस एंड डस्ट मेथड क्या है? आपको रिफाइंड ऑयल लेना है, रिफाइंड ऑयल से ग्रीस कर लेना है, देन आपको डस्ट करना है रिफाइंड फ्लावर से, मैदा से। ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? वनीला स्पॉन्ज सबको क्लियर है? I will tell you the measurement of this. Now we will pour the batter in this mold. This is 530 ग्राम, 530 ग्राम का ये है। तो आपका केक जब बनाओगे तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 800 ग्राम और 900 ग्राम का केक बनेगा। We can use convection mode in microwave, but at what temperature? 180 degree. So now you need to tap it so that there will be no any air bubbles. Now what you need to do is you need to bake it in the OTG. I am going to keep it in the OTG at 180 degree on the lower rod only for 30 to 35 minutes. 30 से 35 मिनट के लिए हमें बेक करना है। 3 ग्राम ऑफ वनीला पाउडर। तो वनीला स्पॉन्ज रेसिपी क्लियर टू एवरीवन? सबको क्लियर है? और आई नीड टू रिपीट इट? गैस का टेम्परेचर क्लियर कर कितना रखना है? गैस पे आपको मीडियम फ्लेम पे रखना है। मीडियम फ्लेम पे आपको रखना है गैस पे। हाउ इज द वेदर ऑन योर साइड? आप लोग की तरफ कैसा मौसम है? ठंड है आप लोग के साइड? Okay, so I need to repeat the amount of ingredients. Basically, I have shared the recipe in the group. You have checked. You can check that. But I am repeating again. Okay. So first, you need to take the fresh milk. That is 180 gram. 180 gram of fresh milk you need to take. After that, you need to add refined oil. That is 90 gram. Okay. Then you need to add the powdered sugar 150 gram. And if you are using vanilla essence, you can use in liquid medium only 3 to 4 drops. Okay. And you need to mix it well and keep it aside. After that, you need to take another bowl in which we will measure the dry ingredients. What is dry ingredients? Dry ingredients means like refined flour, baking soda, baking powder. Okay. So refined flour you need to take 140 gram. Sorry, 160 gram of I think refined flour we need to take. After that you need to take vanilla powder 2 to 3 gram, baking soda 3 gram, and you need to mix it well, both the dry ingredient and wet ingredient. You can add salt also 1 gram, and then you need to take the mold and you need to pour the batter in the mold. Okay. After that, you need to bake it at 180-degree on the lower rod for 30 to 35 minutes. If you are baking on gas, please make on the medium flame for 25 to 30 minutes. Baking time for convection, you can check it from 35 to 30 minutes. कप से रिफाइंड फ्लावर ज्यादा डालना पड़ा। प्रियांश, यू कैन शो मी योर बैटर। बैक कैमरा कीजिए आप। Batter, how's the batter? It is thick or basically it is good? Those who are making, show me your batter. Suganya, your batter is like clumsy. You need to mix it well. आपको अच्छे से मिक्स करना है। Yes, yes, Suganya, you need to mix it well. And I think you have taken half recipe, right? प्रॉन्स का आपका 800 to 900 ग्राम ऑफ केक बनेगा। फुल बैटर लिया आपने सुगन्या, सो मिक्स इट वेल। अच्छे से मिक्स कीजिए उसे। You have measured both the ingredients separately. ओके, आप एक बार मिक्स कीजिए अच्छे से। यू कैन मिक्स इट वेल, देन इट विल बी गुड। So vanilla sponge is clear, everyone. Are you liking the class? सबको क्लास अच्छी लग रही है? I think all of you are my new student here. All of you respond. Okay. So after the class, I will share a link of the group there is a common group of the virtual oven in which you can ask your doubt, you can share the pictures, whatever you are making there. You can discuss your doubt there. So you can join that group. Anyone wants to show me something? Okay. So let's make chocolate muffins. So how many of you are making chocolate muffins? कौन-कौन बना रहा है? Yes, the batter is good. You can put a stand below this mold. I think otherwise it will get burned. Is there any stand, or if you have any plate like that, you can invert it and you can keep it there. हिंदी में बताओ. ओके. आप इसके नीचे कोई प्लेट रख सकते हो या कोई स्टैंड है, अदरवाइज मुझे लग रहा है मोल्ड जल भी सकता है ना. ओके, कैन आई कीप इट इन द oven? Yes, you can keep it in the oven now. Use smaller mold. ओके, ठीक है. देन फाइन, आप उसे कवर करके रख दीजिए. So how many of you will make chocolate muffins? Priyans is making. Priyans, I forget your name, so I'm continuously telling you Priyans. Tejaswini, okay. So Tejaswini is making lehua. Tamina also. What about else? It's very good, guys, that you are participating. Otherwise, after watching recorded videos, some people think that I will make it later and they will never make. So those who are making, please share the picture in the group with proper feedback. So let's start making chocolate muffins. So first of all, we will add fresh milk. Okay. So in chocolate muffins, I will make half recipe. मैं half recipe बना रही हूँ. So you can also make half recipe with me. Or if you want to make in bulk, like full recipe, in full recipe you will be able to make 12 or 13 muffins. Okay. In half recipe, you will be able to make 6 muffins. So I am making half recipe. If you want, you can make half also. So 80 gram of fresh milk I am taking here. एटी ग्राम हमें फ्रेश मिल्क ले लेना है. After that, you need to add white vinegar. The vinegar which we use for making Chinese, this is white vinegar. So we need to add fresh milk to make it buttermilk. Whenever you will add vinegar, it will turn into a buttermilk. So 4 gram of white vinegar you need to take. एंड यू नीड टू माइक्रो इट. आपको 30 सेकेंड के लिए गर्म करना है. या तो गैस पे भी गर्म कर सकते हो या फिर माइक्रोवेव में भी गर्म कर सकते हो. Someone please share the recipe in the chat box. Chocolate muffins recipe, please share in the chat box. After that, we need to add oil. Refined oil we will add 45 gram. 45 gram of refined oil we will add. Everything you need to measure. Okay. Then we will mix sugar. So 75 gram of sugar we will add. You need to use powdered sugar only. 75 gram of powdered sugar you need to add. Now we will mix it. हमें अच्छे से मिक्स करना है. Any query? How much time we need to microwave it? How much sugar and oil? Refined oil you need to take 45 gram and sugar you need to take 75 gram. Micro you need to 30 seconds. 30 seconds के लिए micro करना है. Then you need to mix it well. And we will keep it aside. In another bowl, we will measure all the dry ingredients. Okay. So 80 gram of refined flour we will add. 80 ग्राम हमें रिफाइंड फ्लावर लेना है. After that, we will use vanilla powder. If you are using vanilla essence, use in liquid medium. Liquid medium में आप use कर सकते हैं. So 2 gram of 1 to 2 gram of vanilla powder you can take. After that, we will use baking soda. Okay. So baking soda you need to take 2 gram. 2 ग्राम आपको बेकिंग सोडा लेना है. Then we will add cocoa powder. Okay. So cocoa powder we will use 10 gram. In half recipe we will use 10 gram of cocoa powder. So please check it once we have taken all the ingredients. Yeah, 3 gram of soda. You can take 2 gram or 3 gram. Now you need to sieve it. आपको sieve कर लेना है. Recipes in the chat box itself. Please check it once. Now we will keep it aside and we will mix all the wet and dry ingredients together. And we will mix it with cut and fold method. And at last we will add choco chips. You can use white choco chips and chocolate choco chips also. So I am using this chocolate choco chips. So at last we will add this. And we will mix it. Now we will take the muffins mold. So this is muffins mold. Okay. We will add this muffins paper. If you don't have this muffins liner, you can use grease and dust method. आप grease and dust भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है. So you need to fill half. आपको half fill करना है. Any doubt? You can ask. No, you do not need to grease the muffins cup. This is the paper liner, so you do not need to grease it. Gagan, have you joined late? So you can, okay, let me repeat it. So with half recipe, you will be able to make 6 muffins. ठीक है? Now what you need to do? You need to tap, आपको tap कर लेना है, so that there will be no any air lumps. Air lumps ना रह जाए. Now you need to bake it at 180 degree for you need to bake it at 180 degree for 30 minutes. 30 मिनट के लिए आपको बेक करना है. In some OTG, you need to check it at 25 minutes also because every OTG temperature is different. In gas, you can check it at 20 minutes. 20 मिनट पे आपको गैस पे चेक करना है. मैं रिपीट कर दे रही हूँ 1 मिनट. Now I am going to keep it in the OTG. Yes, the batter is good. You can keep it in the OTG now. Aisa, your batter is thick, very thick it is. Have you measured all the things? सारी चीजें आपने मेजर की? You have measured in the cups or measuring scale? स्केल पे फिर भी आपका थिक क्यों है बैटर? आपने फुल रेसिपी लिया है? ओके, फुल रेसिपी अगर आपने लिया है तो आप जो मैंने पीडीएफ में डाला है वो आप फॉलो कीजिए, ये नहीं कि जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. एड सम अमाउंट ऑफ मिल्क. मिल्क थोड़ा सा ऐड कर दीजिए. 10 ग्राम ऑफ मिल्क यू कैन ऐड. आयशा, you can add 10 gram of milk in this. So guys, I have shared the recipe in the group. You can go through that also. And I am repeating here. First, you need to measure all the weight and dry ingredient. केक अभी तक बेक नहीं हुआ तो ये बैटर कितना टाइम बाहर रख सकते हैं? अभी आप रख सकते हो बाहर. केक जब बेक हो जाएगा तो आप उसमें रख लेना 10 to 20 मिनट्स. आफ्टर बेकिंग केक आप उसको बेक कर लेना. Milk and vinegar need to microwave. Yes, milk and vinegar you need to microwave for 30 seconds. ठीक है, 30 सेकेंड के लिए आपको माइक्रो करना है. Okay, so let me repeat the recipe. First of all, you need to take the milk and vinegar. In a bowl, you need to take milk and vinegar and you need to micro it for 30 seconds. 30 सेकेंड के लिए आपको माइक्रो करना है. Then you need to add refined oil and powdered sugar and you need to mix it. If you are using vanilla essence, then use in this only. In a separate bowl, you need to add, you need to measure all the dry ingredients. ठीक है? Dry ingredients में हम refined flour, vanilla powder, baking soda and cocoa powder we need to add, and we will mix it well, both dry ingredients and wet ingredient, and at last you need to add this choco chips. If you don't have choco chips, you can skip it, or you can add white choco chips, whatever you have. Okay, and you need to bake it in the OTG or gas at 180 degree for 30 minutes. Gagan, go through the recipe. आप लोग रेसिपी नहीं देखे हो अभी तक? Go through the recipe once I have shared. Put a skewer in this and check it is baked or not. If it comes out clearly, then it will be baked. Yes, now good, Aisha. You can pour it in the muffins mold. So any doubt in vanilla sponge and choco chips muffins? Any doubt you can ask. Any doubt or all clear? Please ask everyone. Everyone, please reply fast. Any doubt? No, Priya, you do not use curd in this. We use milk and vinegar to make the buttermilk. Okay. So guys, after the class, after baking it, it will take time. So I will send the picture in the group, or tomorrow also I will show you in the class itself. So those who are making, please send the picture in the group. Group link I will share up just after the class, and also I will send you the recorded videos. PDF recipe also I will share. I have already shared, but those who have joined late, Srishti, I will inform you in the group. Okay, so recorded videos, PDF again I will send you in the group, and a new group link also I will share. You can join that group. Okay. And guys, please send your feedback. How did you like the class? आपको class कैसी लगी? Please, all of you, send your feedback on WhatsApp. You can directly message me also, or in the group also you can text. So that's it for today's class. I will send the picture and recorded videos in the group. Thank you everyone. Bye. See you in the tomorrow's class. And if you have any doubt, you can message me. Those who will make after watching the recorded videos, you can message me, or you can even call me. You can ask your doubt. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye everyone.